This is a 52-inch Lowe's Walmart whatever. I don't know what it is. Who made it? I don't know, but this used to be in my grandma's bedroom. I took it down and replaced it for her, and I kept the fan because, well, it's a childhood fan, and it's definitely one I wanted for a long time. It's got the 4 tulip shades there, the cane blades, GE vents, cane blades. It's the same as the last one I videoed. That was in her kitchen. Only this one's in a little bit better shape. This one has hardly ever really been used. She had it up in her bedroom, like I said, and she never used it really. It just was pretty much a light. She never used it for anything else. But anyway, here's high. The light on. It does have a bit of a wobble, which don't know if you'll be able to notice. Oh yeah, you can see it. But it don't look too bad. Not sure which blade it is, but either way, it runs pretty good. Puts out a decent breeze. Better than I thought it would, for it being a cheaper fan. And go down to medium. Sorry about the dog, she won't shut up. I gotta fix the wobble. I've been working on that, but haven't been able to remedy it yet. God. Anyway, that's medium. Has a hum, but not that bad. There's a light on. Go low. Got a nice low speed. Don't put out much air on low, but it's got a nice aesthetic to it, I guess. There goes the dog. Yeah, I don't know. Can't figure out which one it is. But, I don't know. Turn that off. Turn that off. And we'll throw it in reverse, as they say. Up. Hopefully the wobble ain't bad on reverse. The light again. And try high on reverse. Let's see how bad a wobble is on reverse. Because it was pretty bad last I checked. Yeah, it's not any worse, really. And we'll go to medium. Low. Like I said, it has a nice aesthetic low to it. I think, anyway. And OFF spells off. It may not be a great fan, but it's a childhood fan, so I'm glad to have it. Like I said, there was two of them. One in the kitchen and one was in the bedroom. I got the one that was in the bedroom, which is this one. And it's actually my first cane blade ceiling fan. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.